The Donna Independent School District Board of Trustees has called a school bond election for Saturday, May 7th, 2016. What is a bond election? In a bond election, the voters vote to either approve or not approve for the board to borrow money for the construction of school facilities and other legal purposes. In 2009, the district invested over $56.4 million in 2008 bond money for the construction of Donna North High School. Donna ISD serves 15,334 students in grades pre-K through 12 in 22 school campuses. These 15,334 students are served every day by over 2,600 dedicated and committed employees. Donna ISD students excel academically, in reading and writing, math and science, and social studies. Additionally, students are very successful in extracurricular activities, excelling in UIL competitions, athletics, fine arts, and post-secondary readiness. This is the Donna ISD tradition. The district is also thankful to have highly involved parents and community members in the service of students. A major professional responsibility of the Donna ISD administration is to be ever vigilant of all needs for all students within the school district. This includes ensuring that all students are served equally well in good school facilities. As part of the responsibility to ensure equality for all students, in the fall of 2015, the administration formed a facilities committee to study the most urgent facility needs of the school district. The committee was composed of administrators, district staff, parents, community members, and the school architect. The committee studied current facilities, past construction projects, and costs. From those reviews, it was determined that the middle schools were most in need of attention and taking action was recommended. Although the committee identified many areas of need for improved facilities, it concluded that the most pressing need in the district is the replacement of TODD Middle School with a new middle school facility. The rationale for this conclusion was based on two main reasons: inequality of services and poor building condition. Some examples of this are: TODD Cafeteria has a total of 6,732 square feet, while Veterans Cafeteria is almost twice the size at 11,700 square feet. This is an issue of inequality. TODD Middle School has 28 portable classrooms, while Veterans Middle School has only 4. This is an issue of both poor facility condition and inequality. The TODD Library has 16 computers to accommodate 40 students, while Veterans Library has 36 computers and can service 85 students. This is also another issue of inequality. The study and reading area at TODD Library is very small in comparison to the one at Veterans Middle School. The same is true for library table space. Again, inequality is an issue. TODD Middle School has 4 restrooms for boys and 4 for girls. Veterans, on the other hand, has 8 restrooms for boys and 8 for girls. Poor facility condition and inequality are clearly an issue. TODD Middle School was built in 1967 and is nearly 50 years old. Because of this, renovating the campus would be quite expensive. A major investment would need to be made on a 50-year-old structure. Therefore, the committee determined that because of the poor facility condition, this would not be cost-effective. All finance information presented was based on the listed assumptions, which are founded on current district and state data, law, policies, and predicted market rates. Another major reason which the committee considered in recommending replacement instead of renovation of TODD Middle School was that it is located on only 5 acres of land. This is very limited space for a middle school. The general rule for school construction is 10 to 15 acres for an elementary school, 20 to 25 acres for a middle school, and 70 to 100 acres for a high school. How much will it cost to replace TODD Middle School? The projected cost is $22 million. This would be the bond amount. How will we repay the $22 million bond amount? The bond debt will be repaid with a combination of funds from both the state and Donna ISD local taxes. Through the Instructional Facilities Allotment Program, or IFA, the state supports poor districts for bond debt. After becoming unavailable in 2010, the program will again be accessible to poor districts on September 1, 2016. In order to qualify for state support, the district needs to complete the following. First, call a bond election, which was done on January 12, 2016. Then, pass a bond election to be held on May 7, 2016. And finally, apply for IFA state assistance by June 15, 2016. State support would then begin on September 1, 2016. Of the $22 million bond amount, IFA state support would pay $17,204,000, leaving Donna ISD taxpayers responsible to repay only $4,796,000. The yearly bond payment would be $1,264,317. The state would pay $988,696, or 78%, while the district share would be $275,621, or 22%. The district share would be acquired by a 2.81 cent tax rate increase. To clarify further, the following information will re-emphasize the effects on district and state financial obligations to repay the bond. In effect, the district will borrow $22 million to build a new middle school. Of the $22 million, the district will only repay $4,796,000. The state, through the IFA program, will pay the remaining balance of $17,204,000. Additionally, while the yearly payment for the $22 million bond debt is over $1.2 million per year, the district share is only $275,000. The state pays the difference of nearly $1 million every year. In fiscal year 2015, a homeowner whose house has a value of $30,000 paid $188.70 in property taxes. The tax payment for fiscal year 2016 will be $62.90 without a bond election and $64.30 with a bond election. This is less than fiscal year 2015. The average home value in Donna is $60,000. In fiscal year 2015, that homeowner paid $566 in property taxes. In fiscal year 2016, that homeowner will pay $440.30 in property taxes without bond elections and $450.10 with a bond election. This reduction in taxes is based on the $25,000 homestead exemption. What if I am a senior citizen? If you have filed an exemption and your property value has not increased, your tax rate should remain unchanged. The following slides will provide election information. The last day to register to vote is April 7, 2016. Early voting will occur between April 25th and May 3, 2016 at Amigos del Valle and Donna North High School. The last day for the election office to receive a ballot by mail is May 7, 2016. Election Day is Saturday, May 7, 2016 between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. at TODD Middle School. Please exercise your right to vote. You will decide. Thank you for your kind attention.